So you want to slide a mesh or a part of actor smoothly from one spot to another. That's move to component. To get this, just right click and type move to move component to, and it will appear like this. Now it's not just an just for AI. It animate components without timeline, perfect for door, lever, or sliding platform. For now, we don't need both of these nodes, because we already have a logic where I'm from taking an event begin play, putting a delay of 2 seconds, and then a sequence to demonstrate move, stop, and return. So I have set a target relative location and a relative rotation, which is 50-50. And now what is happening here is it will move for 2 seconds, as I already given it over time of 4 seconds. So it will move for 2 seconds. Then after 2 seconds, it will start returning. And when the 3 second is over, it will stop, which means going forward for 2 seconds, coming back for once coming back after 2 seconds, and it stopped midway when it coming back. And for the component, I have connected the capsule component, so I will better demonstrate it to make you understand better. So as you can see, it is going forward. It would have reached if the 4 second will have completed, but what I have set is after 2 seconds it will start returning. So it is returning after 2 seconds, and there was another delay which is of about 3 seconds, which means 2 seconds of going and 1 second of coming back, which means 3 seconds. So it stops the midway, as you can see on the screen. Now it's used for door opening, elevators moving, or mechanical trap. Simple, clean, and timeline free, as you can see on the screen. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.